Bosnia and Herzegovina received 4 Kirpi II armored vehicles from Türkiye, marking the beginning of a major defense collaboration between the two nations. This delivery is the first of a planned total of 32 vehicles, reflecting a new phase of military support from Ankara. The agreement behind this transfer was sealed during high-level defense talks in Antalya in April, involving Turkish Defense Minister Yaşar Güler and Bosnia's Defense Minister Zükan Hiles. Once customs processes are completed, the vehicles will be incorporated into Bosnia's armed forces. A formal ceremony commemorated the arrival of the Turkish-made armored personnel carriers, with officials from both countries' defense and diplomatic sectors in attendance. Manufactured by BMC, the Kirpi II is built to withstand mines and ambushes, offering advanced protection and mobility. Its robust design makes it especially valuable for complex terrain operations, internal stability missions, and peacekeeping deployments, adding a crucial capability upgrade to Bosnia's military fleet. Beyond armored vehicles, Minister Hiles also confirmed Türkiye's pledge to donate 2 Bayraktar TB2 drones. These medium-altitude, long-endurance UAVs are equipped for surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strikes. To ensure operational readiness, the donation includes comprehensive training for drone pilots and maintenance teams. Bosnia's broader defense enhancement also includes the acquisition of smaller tactical UAVs and a forthcoming anti-drone system through NATO's Defense Capacity Building Program. These assets aim to elevate Bosnia's technological defenses, particularly against emerging aerial threats, while aligning its military more closely with NATO's evolving operational standards. This military partnership is rooted in long-standing historical and strategic ties between Türkiye and Bosnia. Ankara has played a vital role in Bosnia's post-war recovery, offering consistent support in areas ranging from humanitarian aid to military education. Today's defense agreements underscore Türkiye's continuing investment in the stability and security of the Western Balkans. Since the end of the Bosnian War and the 1995 Dayton Agreement, Bosnia and Herzegovina has worked closely with the international community to develop a unified national military. Major reforms, backed by NATO, the EU, and the US, led to the formation of a single, multi-ethnic armed force in 2006. This transition, designed to ensure civilian control and interoperability with NATO forces, remains dependent on sustained international cooperation and strategic partnerships, such as the one now evolving with Türkiye.